Ashley from Naughty Tree Reviews, and we're here with round 2 of Misfits Market. I got my husband with me. He did his record. We just unboxed a record subscription, and now he's like,
why am I still here?
Why I gotta be here? Anyway, you probably saw the first one I did with my daughter, Misfits Market. This literally came today. This is an ugly produce
They're
fruit.
not that ugly.
They're not. They really aren't. It's so
It's
weird.
shocking to me that people won't buy it. Like, they look regular to me. I don't know.
Anyway, so this is $34. It's their bigger box. It's like 18 to 20 pounds. There is also a smaller box. I think it's $19, and that has like 10 to 12 pounds. So if you're in a 2 to 3 household, that's probably a little better for you. You can choose weekly or bi-weekly. This is I have bi-weekly because I just don't eat that many vegetables. But
babe, compared to most households, we eat a lot of vegetables.
we do. We eat a lot, and the kids love fruit, so
Yeah, that's
this
huge.
works for us. And there's a huge assortment. Now, this bigger box, this is called their Madness box. The smaller box is called the Mischief. This has more of the variety, and you will get a weekly menu. Like, what's on the menu for this week? So now
It changes seasonally, right?
yeah, it's seasonal. It ships from Philadelphia. We live in the greater Philadelphia area, I suppose. However,
Greater
you
Philadelphia
do pay
area.
shipping. You do pay shipping. They do have a referral program, so I will link with my referral link down below. So that means if you sign up and you have your sister sign up, your uncle, you get 25% off your next box for everybody. And there's no limit to that, which is really cool. So
Yeah,
that
you
worked
got-
out for me.
yeah.
I now have 25% off my next, however many boxes, which is super neat. So if you subscribe, thanks. That's great. Anyway, so this is $34. This box actually came out with shipping to $30 even. It comes with like really well sealed. You can see. And
Yeah,
I'm
that's
just
for
gonna-
refrigeration.
Yeah, I'm just gonna start pulling stuff out.
Yeah.
So we've got some grape tomatoes.
Oh, beautiful. I'm going to eat one right now. I love grape tomatoes.
Sugar plum grape tomatoes.
Wow.
That's fancy sounding. All right.
So good. Oh, my
This
God.
is just spring mix.
Yeah.
Just a lettuce.
Some nice lettuce.
I like how it came in. This didn't happen. It was in like bags, maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe it's just. Oh, look, the grape tomatoes fell out.
Oh, shoot. We'll grab them. Put it back
That's funny.
in. Here, do it.
Oh, I smell. What do I smell?
Start pulling stuff out.
Oranges, citrus. Hold on. No, there's way more grape tomatoes.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, wow. Look at those peppers.
Shh, don't look. You're peeking.
I don't care. You're going to find out in a second. Do the peppers
You're
next.
giving it away.
They look delicious.
Giving it away.
This is great. This is a great video, babe. We're gonna watch people pick tomatoes out of a box. This gets exciting here.
This is the best of YouTube right here. I think there's a tomato on the floor. Yeah.
All right.
I gotta go. Oh, I'm back. All right. Okay. Peppers next then.
Am I allowed to make jokes about you?
No.
Okay. Just checking.
This is an all ages video. Oh, one more tomato. Tomato.
I like that one. Ooh, little tiny one. Good.
So we got a green, an orange, and a red bell pepper.
Ooh,
We
delicious.
go through. I make the pepper salad is like my favorite. Mix that with
it
some
smells
feta
so good.
cheese, white wine vinegar, and just a teeny bit of oil, and you got yourself the most amazing salad.
Maybe a little bit of
Maybe a little bit of shallot or dill.
dill.
Ooh.
Yeah, good stuff.
All right. Oh my gosh, there's another tomato.
Eat it. You eat it.
No, I don't like tomatoes that much.
She doesn't like tomatoes. How does she not like tomatoes? They're delicious.
I think they actually came out
I got
here.
this box, yeah. Whatever.
There's another. So there's 2 things of grape tomatoes. All right. Oh my God.
They're
They're
so
all
good.
over.
We'll find them. Don't worry about them.
That's fun. That's fun. This is like the.
Oh, look at those onions.
The onions.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
buddy,
Nice
there's
big white onions.
4 white onions.
Huge. These are massive.
We got 2 big. Like they were. So they're. I think they're weighing it out. So
Yeah.
that you get an equal.
How are these ugly?
That's what I don't get. Right? Do you see the ugly? Can you? If you see ugly on
Like,
there,
look, I'm not complaining. Like, look, if people aren't buying this stuff,
Now
I
will
will gladly
say,
take
hold
it.
on. I will say maybe they're close to expiration, because this is a little. There, I see some just. But really, like if you're going to be doing 2 weeks, and you put
we
it,
go
this
through
isn't. This isn't like. This is a dark storage tuber.
Yeah,
whatever,
exactly.
You know what I mean?
Onions
Like,
last
they're not gonna go.
forever.
They're not gonna like rot.
yeah, exactly.
You know.
And
what I'm saying.
we do Taco Tuesday, make pico de gallo. We go through an onion for
Yes.
that. We do I make spaghetti sauces, which are onion heavy, which are really, really good.
Oh my God! There are so many little
Yeah,
halo
there's some-
oranges.
Oh my God, those are good. I'm gonna eat one right now.
Are you?
Well, I'm not gonna eat it on the video, but as soon as it's over.
What's next?
Oh, I see. Oh, No, I'm not gonna tell you. Don't tell me. Tell them.
Here, hold these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is what I smelled. 6.
Oh, they smell so good.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, you can put those somewhere.
I can't
Just
even.
put them on the floor. That's
I'll
fine.
put 'em
Or
over
put them
here.
here.
Oh my God, so many oranges.
14. 15, 16, 17 oranges.
Wow.
So 17 of these little clementines, halo oranges, whatever
Yeah.
you call them, tangelos. People call them all sorts of weird names.
And they're really good. They're like, I love them because when you open them up, they're like little pieces of candy.
You know what I do?
Good.
I put the peel in our garbage disposal.
Oh, babe, collards.
Is that what it is?
Yes.
I wasn't sure if it was shards or collards.
Oh, I love collards.
So also, hold on, there's more.
And actually, if you take a look at this, you can tell that this is real because there's dirt on them. Like this
These
is
are
like.
organic as well. It says it here. You
Oh, we
just-
could cook this for the party we're gonna have next week. Yes, we're having a buddy of mine's making a brisket. We're going over to the house to have the brisket.
So his collards are the best. He
not the
does it
best.
with
They're good.
brown sugar, vinegar, a little bit of bacon, a little bit of onion. He cooks it for like 700 hours.
Ow! It takes about 45 minutes to an hour. It's pretty good.
If you don't eat collard greens, you need to try them
Yeah,
because
they're delicious.
delicious. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my! I
Even
gotta show-
the people who don't like trying stuff, like on her side of the family.
Oh, I gotta show you something. Oh, oh, you can't see it. Can you see all the tomatoes? I don't
No,
know.
really. You can kind of see them falling all over the place.
I'm not gonna pull all those out. I'm just gonna let them be.
Yeah.
There's a ton though.
Yeah. What are those beans? What's in your hand?
Green beans, which I have a little bit left from our last package, so I can mix these all up, and we have a whole serving for dinner.
Yeah, that'd be good.
That's nice.
Oh, that's good.
All
Do
right,
a little bit of pressed garlic with this, and maybe just a tiny bit of salt. Oh, they smell so good.
You're giving out all your recipes. Don't give out the secret sauce. All
Oh,
so
those are
we have-
yams.
Yes.
Nice.
Bruce is not the biggest fan of
I'm not a big
yams,
fan of yams.
but I love
I
yams.
like them.
And on my diet, I can eat them. So
There you go. That's good.
there's way more than that. Hold on.
Holy hell! Look at all these yams. And it's a solid starch. You know what I mean? Like I feel like potatoes have a lot of just empty calories. Those are a
No,
different type of yam.
They're smaller.
Those might actually be types of potatoes.
I don't think so. These are. So
They
anyway,
might be yams. They're
potatoes,
they're
yams, whatever they are.
All right, show them the last big ones. I mean, they probably saw it when you were tilting the box over, but there's one last big thing.
Yeah, I know. I am getting that out.
It's
All
two of them, right?
So it's huge.
Oh my God, what is that?
Butternut squash.
Butternut.
So
Oh my
this is
God,
butternut
so
squash.
much
You can make
butternut
soup
squash.
with this. You can boil it. You can, what is it? Boil it, mash it, stick it in a
Stick
soup. I know you can't see me just holding it. So there's two of these giant, huge
Yeah.
butternut squash. I feel like I liked my first box better, but that's okay.
This is great though, but
This is
babe,
still-
we're in the dead of winter right
yeah,
now.
exactly. So this is
And
what you. And
You're gonna get
also in
lots
the-
of root vegetables.
tomatoes. So that is everything that I received in my Misfits Market. My second box is, so this is 2 weeks and then 2 weeks. So now I'm a month as a subscriber or whatever. I love it. $34 for all this stuff. What do you think?
It's great.
It's great. All right.
I love
So
it. I love getting fresh vegetables. I'm a huge vegetable guy. Love
I'll link down below to my full review. Also to my referral link if you've been swayed by this video.
And
So
how could you not be? Because food's delicious.
maybe you don't like vegetables. In
Then-
that case, I
mean, not
hope
for
that
you.
you try to expand. Anyway,
Yeah.
see you guys next time. Bye. I didn't do it.